How to edit photos on iPhone for free. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the photo you want to edit from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. You can edit the photo using all the options available over here. For example, swipe left on the icons and tap on the exposure icon. You can now drag the slider and adjust the exposure according to your preference. You can also adjust the brilliance, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness and more from here. And then, go to the bottom and tap on Filters. You can view and try out all the filters over here. Choose the one you like. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily edit photos on iPhone for free.